Why is there an air of caution pervading the market ahead of RBI's monetary policy? Well, it appears that participants are holding their breath, eagerly anticipating the commentary on the rate cut cycle, inflation and growth forecast due on February 8th. The Nifty 50, a benchmark Indian stock market index, made a commendable attempt on February 7th to close the gaping bearish gap. This gap, with an upper band of 21,970, was created on January 17th. But alas, due to selling pressure in late morning deals, the attempt fell short and the index remained range-bound for the rest of the session. Unless the Nifty 50 manages to score a strong closing above 21,970, the chances of a sustained uptrend towards the record high of 22,126 seem unlikely in the upcoming sessions. Experts predict that the immediate support for the index lies in the range of 21,750 to 21,700. On the other hand, the BSE Sensex, another key Indian stock market index, was down by 34 points at 72,152 on January 7th. Meanwhile, the Nifty 50 gained a modest 1.1 points to close at 21,930.5. It formed a bearish candlestick pattern on the daily charts, signaling potential for a downtrend with a lower shadow on the daily charts. Power Grid Corporation of India, a state-owned electric services company, has reported a 10.5% year-on-year growth in consolidated net profit. Despite higher tax costs, the company managed to rake in a net profit of 4,028.3 crore for the October-December period of the financial year 2024. This growth can be attributed to healthy operating numbers. The company's revenue from operations grew by 2.6% year-on-year to 11,549.8 crore for the quarter. Next up, we have Lupin, a prominent player in the pharmaceutical industry. Lupin has reported a staggering four-fold increase in consolidated profit at 613.1 crore for the quarter ended December of financial year 2024. This is a significant rise from the 153.5 crore in the year-ago period. The company witnessed growth across segments, with its US business growing at 23.7% and India at 13.4%. Lupin's revenue from operations saw a robust jump of 20.2% year-on-year to 5,197.4 crore for the quarter. Lastly, SJVN, an energy company, has received the letter of intent from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam for a 200 MW solar power project in GUVNL Phase Noddy 2. In summary, the market is treading carefully ahead of RBI's monetary policy, with all eyes on the rate cut cycle and inflation and growth forecast. The Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex are exhibiting caution, with the former failing to close a bearish gap and the latter showing a slight downtrend. Meanwhile, Power Grid Corporation of India, Lupin and SJVN are making waves with their impressive performances.